Alright guys, we are on our part 2 here at FL Diasis building at XOXO Nails, Brows, Lashes, and Wax. And we are again with Ma'am Joyce, and she will be giving us a quick tour of the place here para sa inyo dira nga mag-avail sa ilang services. At least mabalaan nyo na kung anong inyong obroon. Ma'am Joyce, could you lead us?
Yes, please come in.
So diri, hindi ka mo magtalang kay tungod ang ilang lugar ara gid sa mga ka-front, and the entrance is just here on the side, no? So here first, when you come in here, ari ang ilang reception area. Kag para sa inyo nga mga hilig sa gani nails, brows, lashes, and wax. So Ma'am Joyce, a little bit of explanation about all of this, please.
Yes. We actually cater to your nails. For example, we have regular manicure gel. We have our signature gel manicure, cat eye. We have soft gel extensions.
Wow.
We have nail cleaning, and we have packages that you can save up to 100 pesos. So it's a good deal. Yeah, and we also have our brows for lamination, tint, and threading. And we have also all kinds of lashes with all kinds of volumes. And we cater to your eyelash lift, tinting, and waxing needs. Yes.
Wow. And diri sila mabali makuha sa ilang choice kung ano gusto nila nga style and colors and all.
Yes.
Wow. Grabe ka guys, si Ma'am. Hi Ma'am.
Hi.
And here, as you could see, na-notice ko gina pagsulod ko pa lang, ano ni siya Ma'am, ang ari?
Yes. I organized it na it would look nice man. And then this one, may variations na siya. This one is for the regular manicure.
Yes.
And this one is our XOXO signature brand.
Wow.
Yes. When you want a gel manicure or gel cat eye, we have this.
Wow. Grabe na. Wala ko to sa mga naintindihan kasi siyempre wala mo kapamanicure, pero balaan ko sa inyo kapamati dira. Mag-enjoy ka mo. So technically, Ma'am Joyce, diri naman sa gipungkuan naton kagina.
Yes.
So this is the chair nga ginapungkuan nila, no? Diri ikaw ma'am nakadi. Updi ko di. Ano ni siya na. So technically, mapungko ang
Yes.
Grabe ang ikaw man gyapon ng client.
They will assist
then,
the client. Yes.
Tapos dira.
Yes.
Okay. And you have mentioned may ara ka mga services nga foot spa diri man siya.
Yes, there is, sir. Foot spa.
So for example, kung ikaw ma-attend kay mamo nan.
Yeah.
So diri ka mapungko?
Yes.
Sige.
Siya pungko.
Okay.
And then you will place your
sige
feet
na,
here.
sige. Yan,
And
tama
you
at
will
least
relax.
actual.
Yes.
Tapos
And
dira
then you can
ikaw.
relax.
Okay. Sige, pungko.
Diba?
Pungko. Ay. So, tod na, no, ang XOXO, gimana maka-relax, gimana mo. So, they are open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every day para sa inyo tanan. And then also the nails here.
Yes.
And then, may ara pa kamo isa.
Yes.
Room.
We have a room there.
Sige,
yes.
ma'am, makadto kita proceed
Okay.
kita to. Kung nabi tapos na si ma'am, kamo nami no. Kanami sa dayon sa ila lugar. Ma'am Joyce, a little bit of explanation about the aesthetics. Are you the one nga nagbulig man sa aesthetic ninyo sa diri nga lugar?
Yes, I was actually the one nga nag-design
Nami.
the whole place.
Balanan.
Yeah, I was also the one nga
Classy, elegant, etc.
Yes.
Tapos this room naman,
Yeah.
Ma'am Joyce.
Yeah, this room is for your brows, lashes,
Okay.
and wax
Okay.
needs. So we have here our UV sterilizer for all the tools. After each day, sterilize na ng
Yes.
tools.
Nami no?
Yan. And then we provide privacy. May curtain. Gitu.
Yes, wow.
Yes.
So again, mabalik kita diri ma'am sa inyong reception area. For the last time, Ma'am Joyce, could you invite ang ating mga viewers to please come in here sa XOXO?
Yes, please guys, come in here and visit us in XOXO Nails, Brows, Lashes, and Wax here in Halandoni Street. Actually, we have a promo. We have a 10% off in
Wow.
all our services
Wow.
this month. And we also provide some gift cards and vouchers and loyalty card for you to use.
Yes. So there you have it. If you're a business you want to be featured, next comment na below. Kagkanto na kamo dito sa XOXO. All the needs, especially sa inyo nga mga moms, for pampering, sa inyo nga self-care, etc. Makita nyo man na sa part 1 namang interview ni Ma'am Joyce. Dito makita ang tanan na mga istoryahan. God bless everybody. Thank you, Ma'am Joyce, for having
Thank
us.
you so much,
See you
sir.
next time. This has been Brand Boss. God bless.
Thank you.